Welcome to Kitchen Conservatory. What is a pinch? So we all know about measuring spoons, and most measuring spoon sets, the smallest amount is a quarter teaspoon. But sometimes recipes call for a pinch, and frequently it's a pinch of salt. And how do you do a pinch? Well, there's several ways to do a pinch. One is a 2-finger pinch, which is about like that, and that is approximately an eighth of a teaspoon. Or there's a 3-finger pinch where you take 3 fingers and you go like that, and that's between an eighth and a quarter teaspoon. Or there's 4 fingers and you take all 4 and you have what is a quarter teaspoon. So actually you don't need this if you just use 4 fingers to pinch. But which one is a pinch? It all depends on how much you want in your recipe. Personally, I like the 3-finger pinch. We make cooking fun at Kitchen Conservatory.